So finally this is the One UI 3.1 update on Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite in India, and these are some of the new features like calendar, auto switching, and the update is almost 1.1 GB. And if we click here, nothing is showing. Let me update it. Once it gets updated, I will tell you in details. So finally there is a new update in Samsung Note 10 Lite, that is the One UI 3.1, and there are not so much major update. This is a very minor updates. Let's see the first update. Now if you go to settings in display, just the name of the setting has been changed, that is eye comfort shield. Earlier it was blue filter, now it is eye comfort shield, and it works the same as previous. You can schedule the time, you can change the color, temperature and all that. The second setting is that it's in advanced features. Go to advanced features, and there is one setting named continue apps on other apps. So basically what it does is that if you are using this phone and if you are having one Galaxy Tab S7, so if you are using any app from here, you can just continue that app where you left and you can start using in your tab. The one thing you require, you need to have one common account in both the Samsung devices. Another update is that now if you go to gallery, so this is a photo. Now in every photo you take, there is location which is getting stored in the photos. Now when you press tap to share, there is one option to remove location data so that no one can trace that. And another minor update is when you edit one photo, if you are using Galaxy S21 you will get lapse, but in this that option is not coming. There is only one new edit option, that is port color. Now based on which colors you want, you can just click on that, you will get just that colors, and this is also some kind of useful edit feature. Another option is it in now the live focus has changed to portrait. It's the same thing, but just the name has changed. And now in single take you have the option to choose which all, like if you want highlighted videos, or if you don't want portraits, or if you don't want filter photos, you can click it here. Earlier in 3.0 it was not available. And in video, right now you can directly change the video resolution settings directly from here, like you can 4K 60, 4K 30, and you can change all those settings. And if you go to settings, it's almost the same, there is nothing changed in this. Another nifty feature I found was that if you point a camera towards any document, there is an scan option directly coming on your phone. Yeah, it is coming. Tap to scan. So there is a built-in scan feature. Now once you tapped it, you can set the boundaries, and based on it can save it. It's one nifty feature, you can use it. That is the One UI 3.1 update in Samsung Note 10 Lite, and there is no major updates in this. And another bug was fixed, like while in 3.0, while screen recording, when you press to stop the recording, it used to take some time, but now it is fixed. In photos, while you are working on telephoto, there was to some lag in changing these modes, like 10x 4x, but now it is working smoothly. So that's it for today's